Okay folks, quick update from the workshop. As you can see, it's a mess. Hey, moving in's always a mess. Anyway, we're making progress. So that one's being sold. A bunch of these tools are being sold and just basically having a massive cleanup. The big update today is on the 2005 BMW R1150RT. As you can see, we've got the crash bars fitted now, so they've just come back from Chrome. Test fit the siren, everything is lining up, which is really nice because sometimes these bars get really badly bent. And the chroming process obviously involves heating metal up. So you're never quite sure when you refit this stuff if it's going to actually bolt and align properly. Thankfully this did, so very, very happy with this. And yeah, we'll have more to come tomorrow because we'll be back in the workshop to try and finish it off fitting this one up. So there you go, bit on the 2005 R1150RTP, siren, crash bar, rear crash bar assembly looking very good. Catch you in the next video, everybody.